I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
I have something more than a hope. Jim Geddes has something less than a chance.
Marcello, come here. Hurry up.
Vad är det där för en bok?
Ja, det är en bok med berättelser, tankar, visdomsord och böner.
Station d'évasion, les sentinelles en ordre de tirer sur tout officier surpris en dehors des limites.
Vous voyez, elle pense qu'à rigoler.
À qui tu parles?
Spectateur.
If you win, you win. If you lose, you still win. There's no way you can lose. And you do it on your own, just the way you wanted to do it, without any help from anybody.
なんで、無知しかねえじゃねえか。裏の受け物か。いや、この三角が菊千代様だ。これ。
With a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain.
I can never have children. We can adopt some. But you don't understand, Osgood. I'm a man. Well, nobody's perfect.
All right, Mr. DeMille, I'm ready for my close-up.
Cette occasion-là, c'est pas moi qui l'aurai.
Et si tu l'avais? Par exemple, en allant à l'interrogatoire. Que ferais-tu?
J'en profiterai, je m'échapperai.
I never knew you were such great friends.
Oh, I knew him before I met you.
Were you in love with him?
No.
У вас кровь.
Где?
За ухом. С другой стороны.
А.
On the same day that you lose your job.
I didn't lose it. It's not like, whoops, where'd my job go? I quit. Someone passed the inspection.
Get out of the way!
You're laughing at me.
No! You have no idea how bad it gets. I wish I knew how to quit you.
But what about us?
We'll always have Paris.
Forget it, Jake. It's Chinatown.
E.T. Home phone.
Hi.
I'm sorry?
I just said hi.
You know you look so good.
What do you want me to do? You just want me to hit you?
Come on, do me this one favor. Why? Why? I don't know why. I don't know. Never been in a fight. You?
There is no Dana, only soul.
What a lovely singing voice you must have.
Father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next.
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
Look at me, son. It's not your fault.
Unless they're completely supplied with lysine by us, they slip into a coma and die.
People are dying.
By an Englishman. Are you not loyal to England? To England and to other things.
It's because there are things I don't remember. Doesn't make my actions meaningless. The world doesn't just disappear when you close your eyes, does it?
They're tank busters, sir. P-51s.
Angels on our shoulders.
You're a fucking liar! Shut up! That's what he wants. He wants you to shoot him.
Closer, please. Closer.
I need a pulling thread, a note to follow so.
I love you.
I know.
Talking to me? You talking to me?
I'm flying.
The defendant is not guilty.
But somebody in this courtroom is.
And there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Hello?
Oh, yeah! Ah! Whoa! Hey! Whoa, 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 whoa!
Dr. Frankenstein.
Frankenstein.
Well, what do you want? I say he's guilty.
I want to hear your arguments.
I like it.
Really? You wouldn't be ashamed to be seen with somebody in a hat like this?
Of course not.
Drop the gun.
Oh, sure. You just take off your little mask and show us all who you really are.
Then the city needs me.
The city needs Bruce Wayne.
You will not laugh. You will not cry. You will learn by the numbers. I will teach you. Now get up. Get on your feet.
I'm making an offer. You don't refuse. Don't worry.
When I first met Jimmy Conway, he couldn't have been more than 28 or 29 at the time, but he was already a legend.
We got a dead man walking here.
For a second. It's enough.
Shoshana! Now tell me why!
Because you did it again!
Bring me everyone. What do you mean, everyone?
Everyone!
All right. We put it away. We keep it hidden. We never speak of it again. No one knows it's here, do they? Chief! The chief! Ah! Chief! Nurse Ratchet, look! Look! The chief put his hand up.
Describe what Marcellus Wallace looks like. What? Say what again?
Mr. Blue, Mr. Orange, Mr. Pink.
Why am I Mr. Pink?
Because you're a faggot, all right?
Hugger! Hugger!
If I were you, I'd grow eyes in the back of my head.
Thanks for the advice.
Well, that's free.
Here's Johnny!
17. Okay, you guys got yourselves a ship.
The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist.
Buongiorno, principessa!